Be cautious with this technique because it will surprise you and bring you money right away. It always works. Today we'll use a special code that you'll write on your left hand. This will unlock all opportunities for us and bring good fortune. This is an old method, a sacred code that draws powerful forces into your life. You can trust that they will come quickly and easily. Get ready to receive this amazing gift. Let me guide you step by step on how to use this powerful code. Imagine suddenly receiving the money you've been wishing for. If you own a business, picture getting many new customers, your sales soaring, and even winning raffles and other games of chance. Yes, this code really works. It's very powerful but also easy to use. All you need is a pen or marker with red ink. If you don't have red, green, or blue will also work. This is very important. Trust me, the best part is you can use this code whenever you need it. Have an unexpected bill? Need money right away? It works instantly and might even surprise you, especially if it's your first time using it. Now let's discuss the numbers and this sacred code, which I will reveal shortly. This code consists of only 3 numbers, but they hold incredible power. Write them on your hand and get ready for something extraordinary. To help attract wealth, we will call upon Archangel Uriel to activate the energy of money for us. Additionally, we'll use a powerful phrase to eliminate any negative thoughts about money. This will clear your mind of any financial negativity, allowing you to draw in the wealth you deserve. Stay open to all possibilities and believe in the process. The code is made up of 3 simple numbers that you will write on your left hand. Though they may seem ordinary, these numbers are charged with ancient power. Archangel Uriel is known for helping people find wisdom and solutions. By invoking him, we tap into his ability to activate the flow of money and bring abundance into our lives. Negative thoughts about money can block the flow of wealth. By using a strong positive phrase, we can clear these blocks and open ourselves up to receiving abundance. This phrase will be a declaration that shifts your mindset. It will help you focus on abundance rather than scarcity. To begin, get a pen or marker and write the 3 sacred numbers on your left hand. Then, ask Archangel Uriel to help activate the energy of money in your life. Be sincere and clear about your intentions. Finally, say the powerful phrase to remove any negative thoughts about money. Repeat it with conviction to free your mind from financial negativity. By following these detailed steps, you prepare yourself to attract wealth and abundance. Stay positive and open to the amazing possibilities this sacred code can bring into your life. I want to remind you that we are harnessing 3 different powerful forces. Additionally, it's crucial to express gratitude. Always remember to say thank you before and after using this method. Having complete faith in its power is equally important. Give it a try and see for yourself. You might be skeptical now, but if you commit to it wholeheartedly, you'll witness how effective this ancient wisdom is. After all, it wouldn't have endured through the ages if it didn't work. We are combining 3 different forces to maximize the effectiveness of this method. Saying thank you before and after using this method is vital. It sets a positive tone and shows appreciation for the abundance coming your way. Having complete faith in this method is key. Try it with an open heart and mind. Although you may have doubts now, once you try it fully, you'll see its true power. This ancient technique has stood the test of time because it works. Let's get started. Write this number on your left hand at any time, any day of the week. The phase of the moon doesn't matter. Find a quiet place where you feel good and make sure your energy is high and aligned with the wealth you're about to attract. Write the numbers on your left wrist with intention, as your left hand plays a crucial role. The sacred code you need is 520. Write it down now, but don't write it small, make it large and bold. You need to empower this number. I promise it will work. As you follow along with this video today, you'll begin to see the effects. Don't wait. Write 520 right away. This is an opportunity you don't want to miss. It will truly amaze you. Next, we will call upon Archangel Uriel, and I'll guide you through the process. First, hold out your left hand and write the number 520 on it. To truly connect with Archangel Uriel, say his name 3 times with your eyes closed. Be very clear about your request, such as I need money right away to cover all my expenses and more. Repeat the number 520 9 times. It's crucial to reach this number. Saying it more than 9 times is fine and will actually strengthen the power, but saying it fewer times might prevent it from working effectively. Take this seriously and think about the code before you begin. Genuinely call on Archangel Uriel with sincerity. Don't rush through this process thinking you'll just do it quickly to get the money. You need to invest your energy, love, and highest self into this task. Perform it with love and purpose in your heart. After you have said the number 520 a total of 45 times, conclude by saying code activated. This practice only needs to be done once to be effective. So, what happens next? Remember, this isn't the end of the journey. We are engaging with very powerful forces, so stay tuned and be prepared for the positive changes that are coming your way. We will use a method that needs to be repeated several times to ensure that the money reaches us quickly. Don't worry, it's a very simple process, and you will see the effects soon. We will use 3 specific phrases to help you eliminate any negative feelings you might have about wanting money. Have you ever felt guilty or rejected when thinking about becoming rich? Society often conditions us to feel this way, but these phrases will help remove those barriers. By using them, you'll be able to attract the wealth you deserve. It's essential to address and clear these negative emotions because they can block the flow of abundance into your life. By repeating these phrases, you will reprogram your mindset, allowing you to embrace the positive financial energy and attract the prosperity you seek. Stay focused and consistent with this method, and you will begin to notice a shift in your financial situation. Listen closely, because you'll need to say each of these phrases 3 times. Speak them out loud and really believe in their power. As you say each one, gently touch the number 520 on your hand. Ready? Repeat after me: money like rice, money like rice, money like rice. I swim in a well of rice over and over again. Lots of cash, lots of cash, lots of cash. Great job. Now, I want to hear from you. Let us know in the comments which phrase resonated with you the most. Money like rice. I swim in a well of rice or lots of cash. By declaring our choices together, we can start attracting money immediately. To boost this even further, comment I am a money magnet to draw abundance into your life. This simple action helps set the intention and opens the door for financial prosperity to flow in. Remember, the key is to truly feel and believe in what you're saying. Your positive energy and focused intent will make a significant difference. To wrap up, gently touch the sacred code on your hand and say, I need money right away, and I have more than enough to meet all my needs. This seals the process. Well done. You've done a fantastic job following along. Now watch this video one more time and take notes on each step to ensure you don't miss anything. Try it out for yourself and witness the power of these ancient forces. Before you go, share this video and information on all your social networks. Help those who might be struggling with money issues and let them know about this powerful method. Also, don't forget to tell me about your experience and results. I'm confident you'll succeed if you follow these steps diligently. Achieving financial abundance involves cultivating the right mindset along with taking effective actions. Grasping and adopting this idea is key to long-term prosperity. It's essential to stay patient and persistent, understanding that the efforts you make now will eventually lead to the financial success you seek. Remember, the journey to wealth is about both your thoughts and your deeds, so nurture positive thinking and keep working towards your goals. An important part of this journey is developing a healthy relationship with money. Start by looking at your current beliefs and attitudes toward money. Are they positive and empowering, or do they reflect fear and scarcity? Changing negative beliefs into positive ones is crucial for attracting abundance. Begin by affirming positive beliefs about money. Write down statements like, I deserve financial success, money comes to me easily and effortlessly, and I can manage wealth wisely. Repeat these affirmations daily to strengthen your new mindset. Over time, you will notice a change in how you view and handle money. This shift in perspective is key to developing a healthier and more abundant financial life. Along with affirmations, visualization is a powerful tool for bringing financial abundance into your life. Spend a few minutes each day picturing your ideal financial situation. Imagine every detail of your abundant life: the home you live in, the activities you enjoy, and the freedom you have to follow your passions. Visualization helps align your subconscious mind with your financial goals, making it easier to attract the opportunities and resources you need. By regularly visualizing your desired future, you create a mental image that guides your actions and decisions toward achieving it. This practice can significantly enhance your ability to manifest the financial success you seek. Another valuable habit is expressing gratitude for the abundance already present in your life. Each day, take a moment to jot down 3 things you're thankful for, particularly regarding your finances. This practice helps you recognize and appreciate the progress you've achieved. It also keeps you motivated to persist in pursuing your financial goals. By focusing on gratitude, you cultivate a positive mindset that attracts more abundance into your life. Effective financial management plays a vital role in attracting and maintaining abundance in your life. Start by establishing a budget to monitor your earnings and expenditures. This ensures you're living within your financial capabilities while setting aside funds for your objectives. Regularly assess your budget to pinpoint opportunities for savings or more efficient investments. By practicing good financial management, you lay a solid groundwork for achieving sustained prosperity in the long run. Investing in your education and skills is a powerful way to boost your financial opportunities. Look for chances to grow personally and professionally, like attending courses, workshops, or earning certifications that can elevate your earning capacity. The more knowledge and skills you gain, the more prepared you'll be to capitalize on opportunities and handle financial hurdles effectively. Building a strong network and fostering relationships with individuals who share your financial aspirations can significantly aid your journey. Surround yourself with inspiring and supportive people who can provide guidance and encouragement. Engage with communities or groups that focus on achieving financial success, where you can exchange insights, gain knowledge from others' experiences, and stay committed to achieving your goals together. Practicing generosity is a key element in attracting abundance into your life. When you give freely, whether it's your time, resources, or money, you initiate a positive energy exchange that can return to you in surprising ways. Acts of kindness and generosity reinforce the belief that there is abundance for everyone, creating opportunities for receiving and sharing more in your life. As you practice these methods, be aware of any negative thoughts or limiting beliefs that surface. Whenever a negative thought arises, challenge it and replace it with a positive affirmation. For instance, if you find yourself thinking, "I'll never have enough money saved," counteract it with, "I am steadily growing my savings and reaching my financial objectives." Consistently changing negative thoughts helps to retrain your mind towards achieving success. Establishing clear and realistic financial goals is crucial to maintaining motivation and direction. Divide your larger financial ambitions into smaller, achievable tasks. This strategy makes your goals less overwhelming and easier to accomplish. Celebrate every milestone you achieve, regardless of its size, as each step brings you closer to your ultimate financial aspirations. Consistently monitoring your financial journey is vital for staying on course and adapting as needed. Allocate time each month to evaluate your financial status, review your goals, and strategize for the future. This routine helps you stay proactive and responsive to any shifts in your financial circumstances. Keep in mind that the path to financial abundance is continuous. It involves patience, persistence, and a readiness to adapt. By nurturing a positive outlook, practicing effective financial management, and remaining open to new opportunities, you can build a life filled with lasting prosperity and satisfaction. Thank you for watching and joining us on this journey towards financial abundance. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful content and share your journey in the comments below. Your pursuit of a financially abundant life begins now.